welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Pauline, and today, look, so I have to lift up this one. So these are the Amazon deals that we're going to do a haul or unboxing. I opened them because there are too many, so we don't take so much time to cut them, right? So I did it already to prepare, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop. Because shopping is an art, yes. So some of this, mostly these ones are 80, 70, 80% to 90% off. All right. Yay. And I encourage you that you should follow my FB page, Finding Good Deal and Reviews. Yes, I have my FB page linked down below. You shall click that and follow me. I post every time for Amazon deals or any sale or 90% or from 20 to 93%. So I share it with you so you can have it too. So finally I become an Amazon affiliate. So when you click that and you buy something, I also have a little commission from the purchase that in case you purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna share it with you, and I'm just excited. Okay, so if this is the content you want to follow, and if you want to save money, why pay for a full price if you can buy it for 70 to 90%? Yay! So this one is, I don't even know what it is. Okay. Ta-da! These are eyelashes. Okay. Invisible magnetic eyeliner kit. So I have 5 of them. Okay, so I don't wear eyelashes. I don't wear eyelashes, but this one, since they are on sale, I bought them, 5 of them, because I want to resell them in a very good price. If you miss the sale, don't worry, I have it and I can sell it to you. Okay? So yes, for the ladies out there that likes the eyelashes, then these are eyelashes eyeliner kits. So this is a kit. So the tools is probably inside here. I will post this in my Mercari, and I will price it pretty good deals. So make sure you follow me also in my Mercari. You check my Mercari down there. So yay! And this is, I don't know what's inside, but I have to open this. Oh, this is also eyelashes. This is the magnetic eyelashes. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Okay, there you go. So this is the 3rd box. Alright. So this are a pack of, oh my goodness, these are a pack of, let me open. Let me open it to you. So you can see, okay, this video is a little bit longer even though I already got them. So these are a set of fashion earrings. So I will be posting this one also in my Mercari, and I promise you I will sell it in a very low price. See how many are they? And they're so cute. Oh my goodness. And the 4th one is this. Ta-da! Oh, this is the protective phone case for Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is. What is this is what happened because I have quite a bit of those that I bought them on sale. So I will definitely look for it. I think this is for me. Oh, this is the clear for my iPhone 12 Max, 12 Pro Max. Okay, next. The next one is voila. A little drama. So these are Revlon Day to Night Squad Decadent Eye Shadow. See, I'm not wearing anything. I only wear lipstick. Yep. So I'm also selling this in my Mercari. So when this video appear, you must as well. You might as well go to my Mercari shop and buy it from there. Okay? Don't worry, it's very cheap. I'm gonna sell it very cheap. Okay, this one is ta-da! So this is the dark spot corrector. So if you have dark spot in your skin, this is good to try. I haven't tried it yet, so I cannot tell you if this is very effective or not. So I believe this is somewhere original price $30. So yeah, why not? Yeah. And then we'll put that there. And this, ta-da! Next, and these are, ta-da! Since it's going to be winter time, so I bought this series of slippers there. So you can see. Oh wow, these are actually nice. Not until, oh, look at that. The bag is kind of cool. So these are probably a walking shoes. I got it very cheap, I believe. Last but not the least is voila! This one is for me. So this is You know, I seen this from my sister in YouTube, Annalena Cucos. I've seen it, she's doing a review on this, and I kind of like it. They called it Jade Roller, and it is something to review later on. If how it's after I use it, how it's like. I don't know. Ooh la la, oopsie. So this is a jade roller, and they have this jade, stone. So I put it there, so I can do it like that. So I have to try it because I kind of like it. I kind of want it to try something. This is how it looks. Forgive my skin. My skin is very dry and been having sunburn lately. So yeah. So why not? So I put that there. That this is for me to use. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. This much of Amazon product that I got for Amazon deals. So if you want to have an Amazon deals, make sure you follow me on my Facebook page. I post there a lot of sale in case you like some of them. Yeah, I want to share what I find to you guys because I cannot be alone enjoying the sale. And why would you pay the full price if you can pay half, if not more, right? So make sure you follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.